crazy and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up.
Number one, with a bullet, surround yourself with better people. Now, if you're surrounding yourself with people that you're constantly comparing yourself to, all that does is embellish and enhance the I give a f what other people think mentality. Get away from that. How to get away from that? Surround yourself with like-minded people who raised your standard, who want to be better, and will hold you accountable. Number two, stand on your values. If you have conviction in your values and morals, and the decisions you make, and the way you behave, and the things you say, you have nothing to worry about. You have no to give because you're standing on your values. That is how you start to not give a